Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we got a watch face to take a look at that I think is pretty nice. Let's check it out. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and today is a good day. Now, the holiday was great for me. I hope it was great for you. I hope you enjoyed family and friends and you ate well. And we know you had to get back on the Thursday grind, but we got an awesome watch face for you all to check out by DW. He's back in the building. And the name of this watch face is called DW35. It's a very nice looking digital watch face. I like the way it looks in the always on mode. Very legible. Also gives you your date. Now, when the watch face is on, we got a black and white theme going here, which means that it's going to save on battery life. So I'm liking this look, right? Now, at the top, you will get your date. You come down right up under it. You're going to get the days of the week, and you're going to get the year. You also get a moon phase at the top where the date is. And if you look exactly at the top, you will see a blue notch that's going around the bezel of the watch to the right. That's going to be your nice second hand. Now, we got a nice legible digital time. I'm liking the font on this one. You get a PM stamp. You come down, you get your heart rate information, step information, which is very important, and you get distance, walked or ran. You come down, you're going to get your battery meter. We're still playing with low cell. And what I like about this watch face is that it is interactive. So if I tap here, I could pull up my alarm. If I tap here, of course, I can go into my steps. So, I mean, it gives you a lot of ways to go in and grab the information you need from your step status, things of that nature. I'm thinking DW got down on this one. I like this one. It's very quick, very fast. Now, it also has an app switcher. Now you get 5 of them. I'm liking that. Shortcuts are very important. Makes it easy and convenient to get to the things you need to get to super fast. So you know you can set it. Just pick one, set it, and do all 5, and you're good to go. Now, also, you can double tap and we can change the color and the theme of this watch face depending on what you're wearing for that day. We're going to cycle through all of them because this is a solo review. Now, he gives you plenty of them to change from. I'm liking them. Very nice, very rich, nice different colors. And I'm telling you, DW always does his thing. DW, we're going to give you 2 thumbs up on this one. It's a nice digital watch face. I'm loving it. But at the end of the day, people, it's up to you. What do you think? Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this watch face. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And again, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.